Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum into CLR network. So as usual, we open price tracking websites. I'm using CoinMarketCap for this video and all the tutorials. So if you have any other, you might be able to use it, but I'm using this one because it's avoid you from getting scammed. It is the best and safe. Now go to the search bar, write CELER, this one, and when you open this page you will have a bunch of informations like market cap and the price and the current price and some graphs, but in our case we will just need the contract address. So we go ahead here and click on this icon, which gives us this notification. That means we are ready to go to the next step. Now we go to Uniswap protocol at uniswap.org and we launch the app. First of all, make sure that you are in Ethereum network on this platform. You connect your wallets. They have like multiple choices. You can use whichever you have and whatever you are comfortable using. For me, I'm comfortable using MetaMask, but for you guys, if you have Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, or Formatic or Portes, you can use it as well. So let's keep using MetaMask. And for those who doesn't have it and want to download it, please go ahead and download it at metamask.io. Click on download now, and then we go back to the interface. Go back to your MetaMask, open it, and make sure that you're on Ethereum mainnet. Import token, hosting token, and paste the address. Now you can see the token in your wallet next to the Ethereum balance that you have. Anyway, now we add the token in the interface as well. Click here, import, and here you go. Now you can transfer Ethereum into CLR, or the reverse, you can transfer CLR into Ethereum. So that was the video for today, guys. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. See you guys, see you next time, bye bye.